Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What do the two constants in the van der Waals equation physically represent and how are they determined? The constant A represents the increase in pressure as the result of intermolecular forces. The constant B represents the volume occupied by the molecules. They are determined by the requirement that the critical isotherm has an inflection point at the critical point. So that is the technical and scientific explanation. For most students, they're wondering what is even that, or what is that? Summary. So constant A is the increase in pressure from the intermolecular forces. Constant B is the volume occupied by the molecules. And then we've got this critical isotherm at an inflection point, at the critical point. Okay, so in layman terms, the van der Waals equation, we use it in real life gases, we use it in phase change, and mixing of gases. The two equations that you see here, so we've got the gas constant, critical temperature, and critical pressure. We will do a lot of these exercises. They are very easily messed up because they have such a long equation. If you get one variable wrong, the whole equation goes wrong. Don't worry, we're going to practice a lot. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section, or if I made a mistake in this explanation. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.